Have you ever asked yourself, how do I sell my house in Portsmouth? Well, we buy houses in Portsmouth. My name is Kevin with WeBuyHouses-Quick, and we're here in Portsmouth. This house is in Truxton. So if you have a house, no matter what the condition, no matter what your situation is, we'd be happy to come out and talk with you and see if there's anything we can do to help. This house is in need of a little bit of work. Some carpet was put in, some paint was done, but it still needs heat, some windows, stuff like that. So some people find themselves in situations where they can't quite finish a project, or there's some kind of personal stress or family issues. So if you find yourself in a situation where you need a fast cash offer, we'll pay you closing costs. We do it quick. We can work on your timeline. If there is possessions in the property, this one's actually empty, but if there are possessions in the property, feel free to leave anything you don't want. And oftentimes we can arrange to have somebody come and help you with things you do want. Give us a call, 757-500-3544, or click. Oh, thanks.